Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to raise Robux and please donate. So first, of course, you need to log in to your Roblox and then go to please donate. And I'm using two devices at this very moment. I'm using my mobile. And here in my mobile, I log in my other account in order for me to give or share Robux and in order for my first account to raise Robux, which is what I'm using in my PC. So I have to claim stand first, and by just pressing letter E, now I claim a stand. Now, in order for me to raise my Robux by asking a Robux from a friend, I have to create Game Pass first and then put it on sale. As you can see, the 60 Robux here, my friend or my other account should give me or donate this 60 Robux in order for me to raise my Robux. And as you can see, my other account or my friend should see that you are selling an item that costs 60 Robux or this Game Pass cost 60 Robux in order for your friend to donate or to give you this 60 Robux also or to buy that item from you. So using your first account, you just have to type here, please buy game bars or please buy this bars or the name of your item. And all you have to do is simply go to the stand and then tap the item that you like to buy or donate or give. That costs 60 Robux. So as you can see in my mobile, I just go nearby to the stand, tap the item, the 60 Robux, and of course, it would ask me to I buy the item. As you can see, would you like to buy bars? Tap the Robux, and then there. You already share, give, or donated a Robux to your friend. Or I already donated Robux to my first account. And that's how easy it is to raise your Robux using your first account. You just need someone to buy your item, okay, so that they can share or send you or donate you a Robux. And in that way, also, you can share or you can raise your Robux in Roblox. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.